Hi guys, Happy New Year. Welcome back to my channel. So it's already 2018 now, and we all know in the planner world what a new year means. A new year means a new planner, or at least maybe a new planner system. In my case, I guess it's a little bit of both. But before I show you guys what I'm planning to use in terms of planners this 2018, I thought I'd do a recap first of my planning system for 2017. So, okay, for 2017, I started off using these two planners. So this one is the 2017 Starbucks planner here from the Philippines, the small version, which I wanted to use as a journal. And this one is a number 2 Foxy Fix Wanderlust in the color licorice, which I was using as my everyday carry. So last year I really wanted to go back into journaling. I haven't been journaling for a while, and I thought that it would be best if I went back into it using smaller pages, because I didn't think I'd have the time to write a lot. So I thought this would be the perfect notebook to use, because as you can see here, this has a week on one page with a note section here at the side. So I thought that I could just write short snippets of my day here, and then maybe practice my lettering here or something. And I was able to do that for a while here. But then, after some time, I wasn't able to follow through with it, and eventually stopped doing it in March. See, so it's been empty from this page up to the last page. So sad to say, this didn't really work out for me as far as journaling is concerned, but that's okay. I learned that when it comes to journaling, it's probably best if I just incorporate it into my planning pages, and eventually I did that. I also learned in 2017 that I like planning best using daily pages, whereas before I used to plan on a week on 2-page spread. But last year I learned that I actually enjoy using daily spreads, because not only do I have space to write all my to-dos, I also have space left to sort of record important highlights of my day. So that's the journaling part of it. So okay, I didn't end up using this until the end of the year. As for this one, I really liked using this as my everyday carry, because the size is perfect for me. I really love the number 2, the pocket size. But as you can see, this is not a wide, so I was limited in terms of the number of inserts I could use. But in March of last year, I joined a giveaway from this traveler's notebook company in Malaysia, and I won another number 2, or another pocket-sized traveler's notebook. And this is it. So I was really super happy because it's a wide, and that meant I could add some more inserts in it. So I started using this in March, and I transferred everything I had in here to this one, and then this one just became like a storage for all my used inserts. But then starting June, the school year started, and because I'm homeschooling my 6-year-old son, I thought I'd need a homeschool planner, and so I took out all the old inserts from this Foxy Fix notebook and turned this into a homeschool planner. So this is what my homeschool stuff is, still what's inside here right now. And since the school year is not over yet, here in the Philippines, our school year ends in March. So I still have 2 months to go to finish using what's inside here. And then maybe I'll review this system then, this coming summer in April, and see if I'll want to continue using this as a homeschool planner for the next school year, or if I will switch to another notebook in June. So okay, so by mid 2017, I was using both of these traveler's notebooks. But then, sometime in September or October, I was finally able to buy another Foxy Fix traveler's notebook, and I chose this one. So this is a number 2 again. It's a Foxy Fix Sugar Mochi, and I fell in love with it and started using it around October up to the end of the year. So it's another wide Foxy Fix notebook, and I really love this leather. And because I loved using it, I decided that this is still going to be my main planner for 2018. And this is actually my 2018 setup already. Here, as you can see, I have so many inserts inside. But if you guys want to see what's inside here, I'll do another video maybe next week, a planner flip through of my setup in this sugar mochi. Okay, so for this is it. This was what I used. So this 3 is what I used in 2017. This is for 2018, as well as my homeschool planner, which I will continue using in March. But I also have another new planner, which is the Starbucks planner for 2018. This is the bigger version. I actually filmed a very fast unboxing of this planner. So if you want to see that, I'll just put a link to that video down below. So if this is going to be my main planner, this Starbucks one is going to be my food tracker. I decided that I needed one because my son, who's 15 months old, has food allergies, and we found out about that only a couple of months ago. But we don't really know all the types of food that he's allergic to yet because he's too young to get the allergy test. So what I plan to do is record everything he eats every day and his reactions to it, but his reactions to all the food. But aside from that, I'm also going to record what I eat because I'm breastfeeding him. So whatever I consume affects him as well. So hopefully sometime during the year, we'd finally be able to determine which foods he's allergic to, so that we'd be able to avoid feeding those things to him in the future. So that's it. these three are gonna be my planner team for the year. So that's it, you guys. Once again, if you want to see what's inside this everyday carry of mine for 2018, then please do stay tuned for another video sometime next week so I can show you a flip through. So if you guys have any questions or comments, please type them down below. I'd really love to hear from you. Again, Happy New Year to everyone. Bye-bye.